Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 31st of March 2023, here to celebrate all those children in Year 5 and Year 6 who've earned themselves certificates throughout this spring term. So an amazing number of children. You won't see a great deal of me, you'll just see amazing Year 5 and Year 6 children. So over to them. I'm going to start this morning with house points. Look at these. These Year 5s, look at Miss Musselwhite's the top 3 in each class. So we've got Joseph on 97, we've got Berrin 131, and we've got Marshall 132, just topping the league there. So well done to you three. And in Miss Atherton's, we've got Mahia 103, Jakisha 110, and just topping it again, Fiona on 111. Look at those smiley faces. You should be smiling, guys. Well done. Huge number of merits and house points. A huge congratulations. What an amazing term you've had. Thank you, and well done to all of you. In Year 5, we've got a similar picture. Look at this in Mr. Davidson's. We've got Dylan, 134. Racer, 135, but way out in the lead. Olivia on 155. Huge number of house points. And in Miss Percy's, again, we've got Riley, 129. Riley, 140. And just topping it, Amelia, 143. So well done, you 6 children. I'm sure we'll be seeing some of those names coming up shortly with certificates as well. So well done, you 6, you absolute superstars. On to our Year 5 English stars. Look at these English stars we have. Oh, look at this, Berrin, Abe, Charlemagne and Mia. Exquisite English stars, no less. Huge thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. Really well done, guys. And the writing you are doing is phenomenal. So well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. On to our reading stars. Now, these guys are reading avidly. They are very radical indeed. It's Millie, Cleo, Jakisha and Diego reading every single day. Not only you going home with a certificate today, but you'll be taking a nice reading book to read over Easter as well. I hope you enjoy it. Well done. On to our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Oscar, Melana, Esme and Max. You masterful math stars. Yes, you are masterful math stars. I know that. You've been doing some amazing maths. Double thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. So really well done, guys. And take your certificate. Enjoy taking your certificate home today, you superstars. Well done. Our scientists. Look at these scientists. Here they are. Joseph, Pandora, Nicodem and Milana are being sensational in all of their science work. Really well done, guys. Again, massive thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. And keep up, keep being inquisitive, keep finding out about things, because it is amazing. And I know how much you've loved your science this term as well. So well done, you guys. On to our history stars. Look at these historians. Wowee. We've got Thea, we've got Anne-Marie, we've got Jack, and we've got Marshall. Humble indeed. So well done, guys. Massive thumbs up. Big smile from Jack as well. Well done, Jack. You should be smiling, guys. You've earned yourselves your history certificate. So well done to you four. Well done. Our geography stars. Look at these geography stars. We've got Angel, North, Alea, and Ruby. I like that. Gumptious. A bit of gumption. Wow. What a great word. Those gumptious geography stars. So well done, guys. Massive thumbs up as well. Keep up working on that geography. I know you've really enjoyed it this time. So well done to all 4 of you. Congratulations, you've earned yourself your geography certificates. Well done. Our PE stars, now look at these PE stars. Look how physically active these guys have been. You've got Jaden, we've got Rocco, we've got Khaleesi, and we've got Jack. Now, not only are they brilliant in their PE and their games lesson, but that's at break time and at lunchtime, and then also representing the school as well. So well done, you guys. Thank you so much. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done, you Year 5s, superstars. On to our Year 6. Year 6 English stars, here they come. So we've got Alicia, we've got Layla, we've got Mason, we've got Ruben, working so hard in English. Fantastic work, guys. Coming up to SATs as well, so I know they're having to put it in, so really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. On to our reading stars. Look at these. So we've got Dylan, we've got Madison, we've got Andrea, and we've got Gemma. Now, not only are you taking yourselves a certificate, but you'll be getting a reading book to take home as well, you superstars. So well done to you 4. And I know you are avid readers and reading every single day. So really well done. On to our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. We've got Subhan, we've got Riley, we've got Claudia, and we've got Abby, working so hard on their maths throughout. Did really well in their mock SATs as well. So well done to you guys. Huge congratulations. And just keep up that amazing maths work over Easter as well. Get on Times Table Rockstar if you get a chance as well. So well done, you 4. Enjoy taking your certificate home today, you superstar. On to our scientists. Look, here we are. We've got Alana, we've got Botan, we've got Racer, and we've got Reggie. And they've thoroughly enjoyed their science throughout this term. Loving science. I know you can see it from their work as well. Look at you, got Reggie, massive smile there. So well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificate home today, you superstars. On to our history stars. Look at these historians. We've got Noah, we've got Bella, we've got Dylan, and we've got Amelia, who are absolutely loving their history. Ask them anything about history, they've got the facts, they know it. They are so inquisitive as well, so really enjoying their history. Well done, guys. Really proud of you. And all of that writing they've been doing as well from their English as well, and then adapting it, putting it into their history. It's fantastic. So really well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home. On to our geography stars. Here they are. So we've got Dale, we've got Oliver, we've got Bella, and we've got Jessica. Well done, guys. I know you're loving your geography as well. There's some fantastic topics going on throughout in Year 6. I know you guys have absolutely loved it. So really well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Finally, this morning we've got our PE stars. Look at these guys. Look how physically active. Look, doing their gymnastics. So we've got Mia, we've got Sophie, we've got Bentley, and we've got Ariane. Look at how physically active these guys are. It's absolutely phenomenal. Well deserved getting their PE and game stars. Absolute, be a team player. They really are. Staying positive, keeping fit. They all are. All four of these guys have been absolutely on it throughout this term. So really well done. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstars. Well done. Golden ticket winners now. You'll see some more of those names coming up here. Look at all of these Year 5 and Year 6 children who've earned themselves golden ticket winners this term alone, since January. Look at this. Look, a whole board full of them. So really well done to all of you children. Absolutely brilliant. Every single one of you. So proud. You see lots of those names. You'll have seen I've got certificates today, which is no surprise. So really well done, all of you. If you're not there yet, look, we've got another whole summer term yet. So come on, keep trying, everyone. Keep it up and see if you can win the golden ticket in the summer term. Well done to all of you. We're just going to check on the attendance league. Yes, it's over for the spring term. So well done to all of you children for getting in. Top 3 now coming up to see who's going on the trip to Bewildered after Easter. So let's have a look. In 3rd place, yes, Miss Musselwhite, 113. Well done to you, Year 5. I know you can hear a massive cheer now in Year 5. Well done, guys. 113 points, snuck in there to the top 3. So well done to all of you, Year 5. You managed to do it. Get yourselves on that trip. And in 2nd place, Miss Whites. Look at that. Well done to those Year 4s in 140 points. So really well done. But just topping the league, it's these Year 2s. Look at that, Miss Hall with Year 2s. 142. Well done to all 3 of those classes. Huge congratulations. And enjoy your trip to Bewildered after Easter, you superstars. Well done. Final message, obviously today, school closed today, Friday 31st March at 3:15. And we are back to school Monday, the 17th of April 2023, when gates open at 8:30. There's no inset day on Monday. We are back to school Monday, the 17th of April at 8:30. Gates will open. And until then, everyone, have a fantastic Easter and we'll see you then. Bye-bye now.